There are 10 new and exciting Costco items that just landed in the warehouse, and I plan to buy them all today. I'll let you know which ones are worth buying, the ones you might want to skip, and of course, I'll take everything home to see if they actually taste good or not. Like, oh, hello, brand new off the presses. Kirkland brand sea salt popcorn. Wait for this because we're getting 36 bags for $9.99. Golly, popcorn, what's it cooked in? Coconut oil. Wait, popcorn should be organic or non-GMO. Oh, it clearly says non-GMO right there. That's amazing because as we know, most popcorns, organic or not, are cooked in the dreaded seed oils, which we don't want. Coconut oil has a lovely flavor, and to get 36 bags pre-packaged is amazing for your kids to take to school. By the way, Rose tried this the other day. She loved it. It's good for you and I for movie night on the couch or out and about. To get it for that price brand new is amazing, as is the next item that might blow you away. You've probably seen these Siete tortillas. They're nothing new at Costco. But have you seen this, my friends? Brand new sourdough style gluten-free tortillas from Siete. Okay, I don't know what's bigger, these and how delicious they are. What does the 9.7 mean? Clearance. These are brand new. It's got the star and the clearance price. You're getting 30 of them for $6.97. They're normally $1 a tortilla at every other store. Run, don't walk, because this is organic corn. But how did they get it sourdough style with fermented cassava flour? And the rest of the ingredients are lovely, like olive oil and seasoning. I warmed this up at home with the Costco mayonnaise, a slice of organic Munster cheese with the Costco turkey. Best wrap ever. Now, Siete's got a lot of new stuff coming out. I just saw at Target, they have organic corn tortillas. But to get these new at that price, I think we're gonna cause a run on the bank because this price is unbeatable. If you have it at your Costco, head down there right now. Correct me if I'm wrong, my friends, but I believe this is the first time ever that Costco's had not just organic hot dogs, 100% grass-fed, true story dogs, $12.99 for 2 15-ounces. Why is that a big deal? Because grass-fed beef is the best you can get, but the devil's in the details. The rest of the ingredients, wow. Clean as can be. Nutmeg, red pepper flakes, ginger, paprika, 6 grams of protein per, and they're uncured. Just to give you an idea, this is the kind of dog we all grew up with, right? Probably inferior mystery meat, or what I call lips and buttholes, but other ingredients are always going to be inferior. It has hydrolyzed soy protein. It has sodium erythrobate, nitrates, not what you want. This is what you want. And what if I told you next, I'm going to show you the best French fry on the market to pair with this? Well, I am. French fries in the frozen section. Wait for it. Cooked in 100% beef tallow. Jesse and Ben's fries, normally only found at like Target or Whole Foods. They have them now for $11.99 for a 2-pound bag, which is way cheaper than the normal retail store. These taste like fast food Mickey D style French fries, and it's just the 3 ingredients in there. Cook them in the oven, squirt over some good Primal Kitchen ketchup. Guys, they are literally a game changer. Now, if you watch all the videos that we publish, there's actually 2 amazing fries here. Now these and the organic sweet potato fries that are cooked in olive or avocado oil. Epic choices. That's why you subscribe to the channel. We show you the newest beats at Costco so you don't miss out. Do not miss out on that one. If you love your hummus, and who doesn't, we're in luck because Ithaca has a new one. Now recall, they recently had the Ithaca X Graza collaboration flavor. It's gone. Well, don't worry. They basically made their own version now. This is Ithaca with extra virgin olive oil. We get a 26-ounce tub for that price. Guys, a tub half this size at most stores is $5 or $6. This is an amazing deal, and the ingredients are chickpeas, extra virgin olive oil, seasoning, and that's it. Pro tip, dip the Siete blue corn tortilla chips in the huge Costco bag that was here the other week into these for a yummy snack. Bonus points for Ithaca, by the way. Boom. Non-GMO, but glyphosate-free chickpeas, meaning they're not sprayed with Roundup, the toxic ingredient glyphosate in Roundup, which is horrible from Monsanto. This is new, this is epic, and the price is fantastic. Organic lemon pasta that can't be Bobby approved? It is actually, because they're using organic Italian durum wheat with semolina and lemon oil, no natural flavors, and they reinforce it with turmeric for that beautiful color. 2.2 pounds for $7. You know this is gonna be top quality grain, wheat. Why? It's specifically from the Bari region. It's made in Italy. We're not getting any Monsanto glyphosate wheat over here, and it's made with premium Italian grain. They use good grain there, and when they make the pasta, Artisan style, they do it slower and let it rest so the gluten is more digestible, which is why the Italian and European wheat doesn't affect us Americans as much. This is super yummy. What I would do is boil this according to the package and then toss it with a little bit of that new Spanish extra virgin olive oil from Spain. Grate a little bit of the pecorino or Parmigiano cheese on top. You have a delicious Bobby approved pasta dinner for that price. I mean, come on. Quick break from the video to throw some love at Birch Living, who make the organic birch mattresses we have in every room of the house. They're doing the Memorial Day sale. My link down below gets you 27% off your mattress of choice and 2 free pillows. We love these beds because as you learn about what most mattresses are made of, they're usually made with toxic materials and glues that will off-gas over time. Birch doesn't do that. It's made with 5 simple materials here in the USA that don't off-gas. But listen, most importantly, it's super duper comfy. You order online, they ship it to the house. It has a 25-year warranty and a 100-night sleep trial. We swear by these mattresses, been using it for 6 years now. If you're in the market, use my link down below, 27% off your mattress of choice and 2 free pillows. Check it out. We venture into the cooler because for the first time in forever, Malk almond milk at Costco, mind blown. The biggest one, these are usually halvesies here. You get a 2-pack for $12. This is the 40-ounce version, the 40 ounces of milk for $12.99. Why is this a big deal? Because every other almond milk they have here at Costco will have natural flavors or copious amounts of gums, oils, and emulsifiers. Look at the ingredients with this, just filtered water, almonds, Himalayan pink salt. So number 1, no gums or oils. Number 2, more almonds per cup because they're not putting the filler in here. Pro tip, use this to make your Flav City protein smoothie. It's great. The price is way cheaper than the grocery store. And next up, I'll actually show you something new you can blend your smoothie in. How cute is this new blender here from Ninja? It's so cute. Look at my counter at home. This is the one I use to make Rose's smoothie every day. It's called the Ninja Blend Boss. They have a lot of different colors, like my pink one at home. This one is, what is this? Baby blue, royal blue? It's some kind of blue family. I like it because it's the perfect size for a single here. You just pop it on and blend away. It's very easy to clean, and it comes with 2 of these cups here and a portable lid and straw. Really, really nice to make your smoothies for your kids. I also add probiotic to Rose's and vitamin C, or make the Flav City protein in there for you and I. Pro tip, you can get a single serve of my protein at Target nationwide for $3, 5 different flavors. But I'm sipping on my new coffee with benefits right now. It's rolling out at Target nationwide right now. It's single origin instant coffee with collagen, prebiotic fiber, MCT oil, and L-theanine. It's the most functional cup of black coffee you can get, but it just tastes like black coffee. You have to try it. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna love this one too. Nobody puts baby in the corner or next to the red pole, but they did for my favorite finishing butter of the last few months. Churn grass-fed garlic butter. Guys, this is butter you spoon over a steak or fish or chicken when it's done cooking. The sabor is off the charts, and the ingredients are perfectly Bobby approved. 100% grass-fed, grass-finished dairy milk butter with extra virgin olive oil, roasted garlic, roasted shallots, lemon juice, balsamic, salt, pepper, parsley. Oh my gosh, the guy who started this is actually a chef, and it is delicious. This is a huge 12-ounce tub for $9.89. It will literally elevate your cooking to restaurant quality with one little scoop. Before we keep on going in the video, if you're still watching at this point and you're not subscribed, smash that button, my friends. Once again, this stat always blows me away. Over 75% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. Show some love, support the channel. It's the easy and free way to join the 11 million plus community members. When you subscribe, let's keep going. Brand new to the cleaning aisle, non-toxic, Bobby approved toilet bowl cleaners. We can't stay in this aisle too long. I don't know about you, I get a headache almost immediately when I'm in the cleaning aisle from all these chemicals and fragrances. Blueland toilet bowl cleaners. I'm actually looking forward to trying these because I haven't used a cleaner in ages in my toilet bowl, but I want to give it a shot because look, oh, it's EWG verified and it's nothing but plant and mineral based. Why does that matter? Because most toilet bowl cleaners, well, they use chlorine, bleach, solvents, scrubbing agents, and fragrances that are really, really bad. You talk about a non-toxic home, you don't want that stuff. You ain't gonna find that in Blueland. Does it work? Well, I dropped these in my toilet the other day. I'll update the comment section in a few days, but I've heard rave reviews about them, and to get them for $18.99 is a great deal indeed. So my friends, that is what's new at Costco right now at the end of May. Write your list, come on down to the warehouse, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, but I'll see you soon. Bye.